I love the aroma. It's gentle, soft, and smells like happy summer nights.
It's amazing when it comes to the scent and the aroma that it has. Citronella oil is produced from long grass.
You can use it in many different ways. For your personal care, for purifying the surfaces of your home, and it's a great companion for your outdoor activity.
I love to use it on my dryer balls. Citronella is the best, absolutely the best. The smell of the clothes is amazing.
Where we use it the most is for cleaning surfaces or put it in the diffuser and mix it with some other blends.
For my personal care, I like to add 1 to 2 drops to my shampoo at least once a week. It gives to my blonde hair an extra shine, and also they smells great.
Enjoy the beautiful citrusy smell. It's one of the basic oils you need to have.